There's an extremely powerful TikTok advertising tool that almost no one is talking about and you probably aren't using and you need to be. So let me jump on my screen and I'll show you exactly what it is. So this tool is in the TikTok Creative Center. Now, if you don't already have a TikTok ad account, you will need to sign up for one. It's completely free. So once you do that, you can come over to the TikTok Creative Center here. And if you go under Inspiration and then go to Top Ads here, this is going to show you the top performing ads in each category by location, and you can sort by things like the industry, you can search different keywords, or even look at the different objectives and filter by all these different categories here. The ad format, the likes, so there's a lot of different things you can go through. You can scroll through these. Now, some of the things that you can do on this tool are very powerful, and I'm surprised, to be honest, that they even have this in here. So not only can we scroll through all these top performing ones, so right now we're looking at the United States, top 30 days. You can see what the most favorite are. You can even click in to the analytics and see the analytics for these. If I want to save them, I can save them as well to come back. So you can see how many likes they have. Their click-through rate is in the top 10%, and even how much they're spending. So for example, if I just click into see analytics here, it's going to pull up a new tab and I can see all the different regions they're running this ad in, what the objective of the ad is, the landing page, and even all of their performance. So their likes, their comments, shares, etc. And you can even see over time what the click-through rate is for each second in the video and how many people are clicking. So we can see a lot of people are clicking at the end, which is probably when they have their call to action in here. We can even click into some of these other ones. So CVR, so these are the key frames. We can see in here, same thing, and even how it performs compared to different industry standards. And we can see clicks, even their conversion rate. So you can go through all of these and see what's doing well. And if I were to go through click-through rate here, and then click next right here, it'll show me a different ad that is using a different technique. So with this next ad here, for example, go down, you can see the video analytics here and an analysis of it. Now this is completely AI, but you can see and it will analyze the different parts of the ad. So it'll say, hey, this is what they do good during the video. Their hook is good because they say this, this, and this. So this ad is using product review to catch audience's attention, improve ad performance. Here's their script. So right now it breaks down the script and the hook they're using. So their attention grabber, their problem and solution, and then their soft sell. And it breaks this down just like this. And you can see how these ads are performing. And they even give you a little better kind of emphasis down here. And you can write something similar. So if you're in a similar niche, you could say, write a similar script, ask follow-up questions, write some catchy hooks for me, etc. And you're able to create ads or do different copy, whether it's for TikTok or not. You can utilize this tool, but you can see so much info in these top performing ads and see what they're doing well. Now, another section here that's also really useful for breaking down these ads is if you go under Inspiration here and then go to Creative Insights, you're able to see what is performing well. Right now, they don't have this e-commerce category, but they will soon. And you're going to be able to see these ads that are running and what people are doing well with each part of their video for this content. So what I can do, for example, the hook is the creative pattern. So all these different creative patterns. So you can see like their call to actions, storytelling, the gameplay for this is a game, e-commerce will be different. You could even choose the category. Again, once e-commerce is here, you'll have more than just gaming ones. And let's say I wanted to look at hook. So what is doing well with the hook? Click-through rate is pretty good, and you can see all these different analytics as well. We could click related videos, and it's going to bring up this screen, and it doesn't look very helpful, but click view more, and you're going to have the same tool where it's inspiration and you're in these top ads, but it will give you this other section down here where it is the actual creative. So I can put hook here, and I want to see what is performing best in this hook section. So I can see they have a really good click-through rate. They're in the top 3%. So let's look at their analytics and see what they're doing. So we can go down here, and as we play this video, you'll be able to see it analyze all this information. So it's ads using strategy focus, catch users' attention, improve ads, blah, blah, blah. It'll analyze the script again. go through and we can see all the different strategies and things that they're utilizing in here as well. So as you can see, this tool, there's a lot of different things you can do in here in this TikTok Creative Center. So going into the different top performing ads over here, and they have even other tools as well where you can even see the top products, what's going on, the popularity. They have keywords and different things as well. But this is one of the most powerful tools, especially breaking down and seeing exact analytics for almost any ad on TikTok. So make sure you're utilizing this when building your own ads. Follow what works, put your own spin on it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Need extra help with your marketing or social media? Well, utilize our free marketing resources like our social media blueprint ebook or our 150 social media post ideas. You can grab these free resources in the description below.